It should be really incredible to see, and when we mount it on the outside of the building, you should be able to see it from several blocks away.
Next summer, the North Peace Cultural Centre may have a new piece of artwork that's sure to catch the attention of many.
We're applying for the Canada 150 grant to sort of revitalize the outside of the building for the summer of 2017.
The plan is to create a 5-foot tall by 25 feet wide mural, which will go on the side of the building along 100th Avenue, and several artists will be able to contribute by painting one of the many panels within the mural.
They're 20-inch by 20-inch panels that'll be painted by 45 different artists. And when the panels are put together, it's one image. And the image is of the Peace River.
This week, City Council agreed to send a letter of support along with the grant application. If approved, work on the mural is slated to begin early next year, and the artists can paint their panel in any method of their choice.
Each person will be painting it, their segment of the painting in their particular style, using their particular medium of whether it's acrylics or oils.
The Canada 150 grant is accessible for communities to celebrate the country's 150th birthday next year, and Hackmeister says doing this mural will not only celebrate the region's art, but will also enhance the centre's appeal.
Here we are right in the downtown core, and we want to do our part, and we want to make sure that people know that there are exciting things happening here at the center.
To go along with the mural, the Peace Arts Gallery Society plans to get kids involved by getting them to create papier-mâché wildlife mounts that will go on the other side of the building along 100th Street.
They're like giant portrait sculptures, and then we're going to paint them. It's to bring awareness again of where we are. We have to embrace what's around us.
The grant could take up to 32 weeks for approval. Carissa Wilson, CJDC TV News, Fort St. John.